Good day, and welcome everyone. We're here in the present moment, relaxing, just as we should be, having a good time and feeling alive. And recently I've been reflecting on the beautiful similarities between our lives and the life cycle of flowers. Because in our fast-paced world, we often overlook the profound lessons that nature offers us, especially from something as simple and graceful as a flower. And if you imagine that we're in a vibrant meadow surrounded by a sea of blooms, and if you take a deep breath with me, and let's dive into this wonderful analogy. You see, flowers and humans share an incredible journey of growth and transformation. And if you think about it, a flower starts as a tiny seed buried in the soil, seemingly insignificant and hidden to the world, yet with the right conditions begins to sprout, pushing through the darkness towards the light. And we see this within ourselves. Personal growth often starts in the depths of challenging times. And in these moments of struggle, we find strength and rise to seek towards the light. And as flowers grow, they go through various stages from budding to full bloom. And each stage is vital. Each transition is necessary, just like each transition within ourselves is necessary. We too go through phases in life, each one preparing us for the next, embracing these stages, even when the difficult ones too. They're very crucial for our overall growth. Just as a flower needs time to blossom, we need patience within ourselves during our growth process, which raises our spirit, boosts our love and self-care for ourselves, other people, nature, and animals. Because flowers remind us that the importance of nurturing. They need water, sunlight, the right soil to thrive, and in the same way, we need to care for ourselves physically, emotionally, mentally, because self-care is a luxury. And when we begin to surround ourselves with a supportive environment and essential personal growth that we need, we start to blossom into our full potential, leading us to our highest version, which ultimately raises our frequency within ourselves that expands on who we are and who we want to be. But something very interesting is that seasons play a significant role in the life of flowers. They experience periods of blooming and dormancy. And during dormancy, they rest and gather the strength for the next season of growth. And we too need to honor our seasons of rest, just like taking the time to understand that it's okay to step back, to recharge, and prepare for that next phase of our journey. Because it's always visible and possible, but that doesn't mean that it's not happening. Just because you don't see the growth doesn't mean that it's not happening. Because within yourself, there's always growth and there's always time for that. And then there's the beauty of blooming. When a flower blooms, it stands tall and proud, sharing its beauty with the world. And our moments of achievement, success, and joy are our blooms. These are the times where we feel at our best, radiating the positivity and confidence that we have within ourselves. But remember, blooming is not the end, it's an ongoing cycle of growth. And flowers teach us resilience and the power of transformation. No matter the storm that the flowers face, they strive and bloom again. Similarly, we can overcome hard, transforming types of pain and strength, but the beauty always comes back. Each time it was always there all along, and every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth, a chance to bloom brighter and stronger. So next time you see a flower, remember this beautiful parallel. Know that, like them, we have the incredible capacity to grow, transform, and bloom in our own unique way. And isn't that a wonderful thought? So I wanted to thank you for joining me on Eternal Tranquility. Peace.